In this problem, all we need to do is simplify. Let's look at one thing at a time. You never want to look at the whole problem at once. It might overwhelm you a little bit. So let's look at one thing at a time. Let's look at the number 20. Can I find the square root of 20? No, I can't. But the number 20 has factors, which at least one of them I can find the square root of. So some factors of 20 include 4 times 5. Which 4 is the one that I'm actually going to find the square root of. The next thing I want to look at is the w to the 5th power. Now again, remember, we like our variables with even exponents so that it's easy to find their square root by dividing by 2. So w to the 5th, we want to change it to an even exponent, which will be w to the 4th, and then you have to multiply it by what's left, w. So if you think about it, w to the 4th times w gives you w to the 5th. So you didn't change the problem, you just changed the way it looks. And z to the 4th is already even, so we're just going to bring that down. So the next thing we want to do is start asking ourselves, underneath this radical, what can I find the square root of? And once I do find the square root of it, let's take it out from underneath that radical. So, can I find the square root of 4? Yes. The square root of 4 is 2. Bring that out. Can I find the square root of 5? No. Can I find the square root of w to the 4th? Yes, I can. And by dividing that 4 by 2, I'll get w squared. Can I find the square root of w? No. Can I find the square root of z to the 4th? Yes, I can. By dividing that exponent by 2, so I get z squared. Now, I write the radical only to include the numbers and letters that I did not find the square root of. And this will give me my final answer.